The 2025 BMW X5 is a luxurious midsize SUV that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and technology. Here are some key points about the 2025 BMW X5. Performance asterisk. Asterisk powertrains asterisk the X5 is available with 3 powertrain options. Asterisk 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, xDrive 40i. Asterisk 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, xDrive 50i. Asterisk 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, xDrive M60i. Asterisk handling asterisk the X5 handles well for a SUV, with precise steering and good body control. Asterisk off-road capability asterisk the X5 offers optional off-road packages that improve its ability to handle rough terrain. Interior asterisk. Asterisk comfort asterisk the X5's interior is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Asterisk technology asterisk the X5 comes with a cutting-edge infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, voice control, and wireless smartphone connectivity. Asterisk luxury features asterisk the X5 is available with a wide range of luxury features, including heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system. Safety asterisk. Asterisk driver assistance features asterisk the X5 comes standard with a suite of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Asterisk safety ratings asterisk the X5 has received high safety ratings from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS). Overall asterisk. The 2025 BMW X5 is a well-rounded luxury SUV that offers a comfortable ride, impressive performance, and a long list of features. It is a good choice for families or individuals who are looking for a stylish and capable vehicle.